Use the VOTIX software to securely collaborate drone live streams and telemetry with ultra-low latency, high definition, from any drone or device to multiple recipients anywhere through the cloud, enabling seamless remote operations monitoring. With VOTIX, all your video feeds can be consolidated into a single console using floating windows, or you can easily use our multi-streaming console, and developed fully responsive and efficient on all devices. VOTIX's Video Management System, VMS, offers the best latency in the market, providing unparalleled flexibility to get the video feed not only in browsers. This system allows you to transmit the video signal simultaneously to multiple devices, browsers, fusion centers, and command centers. With the use of RTSP, RTSPS, Real-Time Streaming Protocol Secure, and HTTPS, the best drone streaming technology in the market, we ensure that communication between devices is protected by robust encryption protocols. VOTIX VMS enables you to share your drone footage with anyone, anywhere, simultaneously distribute and collaborate streaming and telemetry to anyone in the world. Allow users to create URLs for sharing easily. The streaming flow can be configured to be open, PIN-based, or authenticated, ensuring security and flexibility according to your needs. VOTIX VMS is designed to meet the highest standards of security and performance, making it the ideal choice for your drone orchestration and automation requirements. Contact us today.
Discover how our solution can meet your needs. Get in touch today and request a free trial. Visit our website and learn more, votix.com.